Hi, today I'm going to be showing how to organize the refrigerator, and I'm gonna open it to see how it looks inside. So let me open it so you could see everything that I have inside. This is how it looks inside. It's a little bit messier. It needs to be clean, but we're gonna get started so you could see how I clean it and I organize it. First of all, I'm going to start by removing all the top items. This is all the items that I have in the top shelf. Now I'm going to be removing all the items that are in the bottom shelf. Now I'm going to work my way up again. There's a top shelf in my refrigerator. So I'm going to remove all the items that are on this one. Now I am going to remove the top drawer so I could clean it. Next, I am going to remove all the bottom items that I have here. So I'm going to be using the vinegar with water and salt, and I'm going to spray it around here. I just want to let you know that when you're cleaning your fridge, try to use at least water and vinegar. Don't use those chemical sprays because that will transfer into the food. I'm going to let it soak for about maybe 5 minutes. I'm going to start my way up, cleaning the top shelves first. Then I'm going to be doing the middle shelves. Then I'm going to move my way down to clean the bottom ones. My bottom shelves were really sticky, so I cleaned them more than once. Now I move to the top of the refrigerator, and then I'm going to clean the sides of the refrigerator. Some of the sides, sometimes they get very dirty, so I'm going to wipe it really well. Then I'm going to move to the right side of the refrigerator, and I'm going to be doing the same thing, following the same process. I'm going to be doing the side of the refrigerator. Now I'm going to be cleaning the side of the door just because sometimes it also gets really dirty. I also like to clean at the very top of the refrigerator where it has like the temperature and the lights, just because sometimes I get small splashes up there too. Now I am going to remove the bottom drawers. These are the very messy ones. I have a mess in this one, so I'm just gonna clean them and sort everything out that I don't need. I'm going to spray at the bottom, and I'm going to probably let it soak for about 5 to 10 minutes. While that is soaking in the refrigerator, I'm going to be washing the drawers in the sink. I am going to be using soap and water, and then I'm going to use my scrub to scrub around it. Now I'm just going to be rinsing it with the water since it has soap inside. I already scrubbed it inside as well. This one was really dirty. I mean, it's been a while that I haven't cleaned them, probably like 6 months. My last step here is just adding the water in the back of the drawer, and then I'm just going to put it to dry. Now it's time to clean the bottom part of the fridge. I'm going to be using gloves and a paper towel. This part of the refrigerator is really dirty, girls, yucky, but with the spray and the paper towel, it's gonna come off really quickly. After I finished using the paper towel, I went over with the microfiber cloth just so I could go over the glass and in the back again. Now I'm going to put everything back. I'm going to start with the top shelves. I'm also going to be adding on the top shelves the almond milk and the coconut water. I'm putting the oatmeal way at the back of the refrigerator. Then I like to add a bin next to it for other things. So this one I already have it clean. I washed it with soap and water and I rinsed it. So I'm going to put it back in here. In this bin, I'm just adding the tortillas inside. So here it is how I organized it. I put the egg whites here. Then I put my tortillas and butter here. Then I added the almond milk, my coconut water, Greek yogurt. I don't know if you could see my green smoothie is ready. It's way in the back. And then my food that I had, my mayo. I have some dates in the back. And then here, just the coffee beans, some peppers, the dry peppers, and then sometimes we put our bread here. Here my daughter has some snacks, just the juice, carrots. some vegetables when they don't fit here. I just put them here on top. I also have my lettuce on this side and then the eggs on this side. These are my fruits. I labeled them a while back. So just my oranges, apples, mangoes, lemons. You can see them. So nice and clean. This is my veggies, but I added the avocados on this side since I don't have a lot of space. Carrots. Still need to add a couple more. And this is how the fridge looks from top to bottom, all clean. And that's it. Here is the organization of the fridge. Hope it helps you to get some ideas to organize your refrigerator. And until now, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.